Welcome to the Slimbox demo room. Slimbox is a smart packaging solution that allows you to pack anything in any quantity. It is a smart machine, so with just a push to the button or with a connection to your own software system, you can print any package for any product. Any product, yes, so small stuff, that's no worry, but you can also pack furniture, cabinets, whatever you want. And that's what I'm going to talk about. The Fefco 314, a packaging that you can create on your Slimbox for these specific kind of products. Creating this box is quite easy. You go to our software and there you select the right kind of box. In this case, it is the Fefco 314. Click on it, and the only thing that you have to do is fill out the right height, width, and length. I already did this. Send it to the queue, and we're off. As a conclusion, Fefco 314 is the ideal solution to package large items, cabinets, cupboards, furniture, whatever you want. It is a modular solution. That means there are a lot of layers of corrugated that are protecting your furniture. On the downside, that means also that you have to construct it a bit like a Lego set, so that might need some training for your personnel. Thank you very much for joining me at Slimbox, and see you next time.